show you how to measure a cut brush from this video, and also a custom design sheet which you'll find on our website, industrialbrushware.com.au. So we're going to start with this. We've got to measure the size of the strip, so the width of the strip. There are a few different types available in regards to widths, so depending on the application, we may be able to work with you to change or to alter for the better your current setup. So this one here is measuring 7.8 millimeters. So that says to me that this is an 8 millimeter strip brush. So this 8 millimeter galvanized back strip brush, this here is obviously formed into a cup shape. So we need to get the inside, the ID, the inside diameter, and also the outside diameter of this brush. Measuring it that way, head across. So the outside diameter, I'm measuring 123 millimeters. And then obviously the inside diameter, which I might get a little bit more accurate with my vernier here, is measuring 106. Make sure you actually, I'm not right in the center there. $108 millimeters. So that's your ID. So we need to figure out the height of the brush. So I'm going to do this with my vernier. So this is the overall height. So top to bottom of the physical brush. So it's 50 millimeters or 51 millimeters overall height. And to clarify that, you support that with the trim length, which is 42. So remembering that this is an 8 millimeter strip brush plus 42 millimeters gives you a 50 millimeter overall height. We need to clarify what bristles being used in here. So all these little bristles here, they can be very critical in the application. So I'm just going to isolate one bristle. Take note that it's not, you can see it better there, it's not perfectly level. It's got a little bit of a wave to it. So we refer to that as a crimped material. I'm going to take a measurement in metric, of course, 0.32 millimeter, and I'm going to turn the bristle 90 degrees and take another measurement, as not all synthetic materials are extruded in a round circular shape. They're usually an oval shape, and that difference might be minimal or it could be a lot. In this case it looks like a fraction of a millimeter, so I'm just going to check that. Pull one out here that I had prepared earlier, check against that, 0.36 of a millimeter by 0.36, turn it again, 0.38. So I've got two different measurements here. So what I need to do, I need to take one or two more to obviously to get the correct sizing. This one's here, 0.34, 0.33. So that being in between the two, I'm going to say it's 0.33 millimeter crimped black polypropylene. So that's how you measure your ring brush. Outside diameter, inside diameter, height, trim length, bristle,